This smart electric wheelchair is easy to use with electric control, great for daily trips. Sturdy and well-built frame, reliable quality.
Sun is falling, speed in the black. Nobody driving, we're in the back.
One-click electric recline, adjustable angle, for better relaxation. Electric leg lift available, adjust backrest and legs together, lying like a cozy small bed.